Kowloon is a transliteration of udder the first E3/4. For other transliterations, see udder the first E3/4. Kowloon is an urban area in Hong Kong comprising the Kowloon Peninsula and New Kowloon. It is bordered by the Lei Yue Mun Strait in the east, Mary Fu Sun Quan and Stonecutters Island in the west, the mountain range including Tate's Cairn in Lion Rock in the north, and Victoria Harbour in the south. It had a population of 2,019,533 and a population density of 43,033 per kilometre 2 in 2006. Kowloon is located north of Hong Kong Island and south of the mainland part of the New Territories. The peninsula's area is approximately 47 square kilometres. Together with Hong Kong Island, it contains 48% of Hong Kong's total population. The systematic transcription Kowloon or Kowloon was often used in derived place names before World War II, for example Kowloon Bay instead of Kowloon Bay. Other spellings include Kowloon and Kowloon. History. The name Kowloon stems from the Nine Dragons, a term which refers to 8 mountains and a Chinese emperor, Kowloon Peak, Tung Shan, Tate's Cairn, Temple Hill, Unicorn Ridge, Lion Rock, Beacon Hill, Crow's Nest and Emperor Bing. The part of Kowloon south of Boundary Street, together with Stonecutters Island, was ceded by Qing China to the United Kingdom under the Convention of Peking of 1860. For many years the area remained largely undeveloped, used by the British mainly for tiger hunting expeditions. The part of Kowloon north of Boundary Street was leased by the British as part of the New Territories under the 1898 Second Convention of Peking for 99 years. Within New Kowloon is Kowloon City, which refers to an area of Hong Kong where the Kowloon Walled City used to be located. The Kowloon Walled City itself was demolished in 1993. The same area was called Guanfu Chang during the Song dynasty. Statutorily, Kowloon is used to refer to the area south of Boundary Street and the Stonecutters Island. New Kowloon has also remained part of the New Territories. In modern-day culture, however, New Kowloon is often not regarded as part of the New Territories, but as an integral part of the Kowloon urban area on both sides of Boundary Street. For tax purposes, New Kowloon is not considered part of Kowloon and is part of the New Territories, as is reflected in the statutes. Properties in New Kowloon are subject to payment of land leases, as in the New Territories. Large-scale development of Kowloon began in the early 20th century, with the construction of the Kowloon Canton Railway and the Kowloon Wharf, but because of Kowloon's close proximity to Kai Tak Airport, building construction was limited by flight paths. As a result, compared to Hong Kong Island, Kowloon has a much lower skyline. After World War II, Kowloon became extremely congested when slums for refugees from the newly established People's Republic of China gave way to public housing estates, mixed with private residential, commercial and industrial areas. West Kowloon was once home to a dockyard for the Royal Navy. The area has been reclaimed and is now the site of several developments. Demographics: as of 2011, 2,108,419 people live in Kowloon. 94.2% of Kowloon's residents are of Chinese ethnicity. The largest ethnic minority groups are Indonesians, Filipinos, Indians, Nepalese, and white people. 86% of Kowloon's residents use Cantonese as their usual language, while 2.3% use English and 1.2% use Mandarin. Suburbs localities: Kowloon comprises the following localities of Hong Kong. Administration: Kowloon comprises the following districts: Kowloon City, Kwun Tong, Sham Shui Po, Wong Tai Sin, Yau Tsim Mong. Politics: Kowloon covers 2 geographical constituencies for the Legislative Council of Hong Kong. Kowloon East includes Wong Tai Sin and Kwun Tong. Kowloon West includes Yau Tsim Mong, Sham Shui Po and Kowloon City. Cityscape. See also: Argyle Street, List of mountains, peaks and hills in Hong Kong, Nathan Road, West Kowloon Cultural District. References. External links: media related to Kowloon at Wikimedia Commons, media related to Kowloon West at Wikimedia Commons, Cap 1 SCHED for area of Kowloon.